Climate change subsequences.
The Earth's climate nowadays is changing very rapidly and differently. Besides that, the climate change in our Earth are affecting our life psychologically, physically, and emotionally. What is climate change? Climate change is the seasonal change for a long period of time in the world. These climate patterns play an important role in shaping natural ecosystem and the human economies and culture that depend on them. For example, the changes in climate can affect how people, plants, and animal life, such as food production and healthy rates. As the Earth climate is dynamic and always changing through a natural cycle, the world is now worried about the changes that occurring today have been speeding up and seriously affecting human life. There are two main causes of climate changes: natural causes and the human activities. Natural causes have influenced the Earth's climate, such as volcanic eruptions, ocean current, and the Earth's orbital changes and solar variations. The eruption of volcanoes causes a cooling effect on the Earth. When a volcano erupts, it throws a large volume of sulfur dioxide, water vapor, dust, and ash into the atmosphere. The volcano's eruption will affect the climatic pattern for years, although the eruption occurs in few days. The sulfur dioxide gas will reach the upper level of the atmosphere. The tiny particles, dust, and ashes will block the incoming sun rays, and this will lead to cooling at the atmosphere. This is because the bouncing of sunlight to the space is cooling the atmosphere of the Earth. Furthermore, the ocean current is one of the natural causes that affecting climate changes. The ocean is the major component of the climate system. The oceans cover about 71% of the Earth and absorb about twice as much of the sun's radiation as the atmosphere or the land surface. Winds push horizontally against the sea surface and drive ocean current patterns. Besides that, the ocean also play an important role of the concentration of carbon dioxide. The changes in the ocean circulation will affect the climate through the movement of carbon dioxide into or out the atmosphere. Another main cause that leads to climate changes is human activities. From the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution saw the large-scale use of fossil fuels for industrial activities. Therefore, they created many jobs for the people, and many people moved from rural areas to cities. Many vegetation areas were cleared to become houses or factories for industries. Natural resources are being used extensively for construction, industry, transport, and consumption. All these have contributed to the rise of greenhouse gases such as methane and nitrous oxide in atmosphere. Human is generating industry, factories, and houses, and running the vehicle that use many fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gases. These uses of fossil fuel will lead to climate changes. In conclusion, we can see there are many effects of climate change that seriously affecting our environment, health, and biodiversity. If we still have not taken any action to prevent the climate change, our Mother Earth will become sick more seriously. That's all from me. Thank you.